Car accidents are awful to deal with and can ruin your day, but many are preventable. Here are the various types of car accidents and how to avoid them. First, we've got rear-end collisions. These are often caused by distracted drivers or tailgating. Leave a 3-second gap in between you and the car in front and never drive distracted. Next is side impact or T-bone collisions, and mostly happen at intersections. Again, don't drive while distracted and slow down. You shouldn't rush a yellow light. There's also head-on collisions, such as when someone goes the wrong way on the road. Always pay attention to road signage and stay alert. Rollover accidents occur when a car flips over due to high speeds or impact, such as a high-speed chase. Again, slow down and drive cautiously. Multi-vehicle collisions or pileups involve 3 or more vehicles. It can be difficult to determine who's at fault, especially in intense weather or heavy traffic conditions. Single car accidents involve one car and happen for various reasons, such as poor weather, animal crossings, or driver error. Stay cautious and prepared while you're driving. Finally, there's hit-and-run accidents, when one of the parties involved in a crash leaves the scene without stopping or offering aid. This can result in criminal charges in Florida, so make sure to always stay at the scene after an accident. If you do get into one of these accidents, Toyota of Clermont's Collision Center can help with all your repairs. Talk to our technicians by giving us a call or visit the dealership today.